Hello, speaking tax. My name is Janneth Gomez Gomez. I am 34 years old. I live in Chia, Cundinamarca. My program tal I am currently studying in occupations, health and safety. What were you doing last Christmas? On December 24 last year, I was at my house in Chia. We celebrated Christmas with my husband, my son, and my dog. We ate turkey, drank wine, and went bed early. Andean region, Colombian and Yaco. It is an exquisite soup with ingredients from the Andean region of Colombia and is consumed mainly in Bogotá. UNADChef, Colombian ajiaco. Ingredients: 3 chicken breasts, 22 cups of water, 3 cups salt and pepper, 3 long onions, 2 garlic, 3 fresh coriander, 2 grey potatoes cuts, 3 potatoes red and white, 1/3 cups of whiskas, 1 cup cream and no, 1 cup of capers. Instructions. First, and by cook, play the chicken, the cups, coriander, the onions, garlic, salt and pepper. Turn on the water and put a boil. Lower the heat to medium and cook it about 30, 35 and 40 minutes. Add the potatoes, red and white, and whiskas. Immediately cook it 30 minutes. After, add potatoes, cube, low during 20 minutes. And ahead, we cook the chicken small pies and put in the pot. Let's serve the ajiaco whole white capers and cream the dough. Take about the main course. Come and enjoy ajiaco and you will be divided with or seasoning. Thank you. Bye bye.